Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and noted public with loan signing agent certification. Your construction trained realtor. It's always important to have a realtor that has construction training helping you throughout the process, because trust me, it's going to be all about construction after that contract is signed, or even prior to the contract being signed. It's going to be all about that construction. Let's go in and have a look. The Rosemary, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, loft, 2-car garage. I like the stone. Looks very nice. It's a very white house. At least this one. Of course, your house could be whatever it might be. I think there's a bee around here thinking about attacking me. I'm going to go inside. Oh, very nice. Let's get started. What do we have here? Storage underneath the stairs. Okay, so this is the model, of course, and the floors are sealed, as you can see, or painted. So over here we have, looks like a bedroom, but I'm going to go down here. I'm curious as to what this is, and you can check out this lanai with the pool. Wow, huge closet. I had a feeling this house was going to look pretty nice, because most of the Jones Homes models do, that I've seen over the years. And this is really fantastic, because you got a bedroom on the first floor and a master at that. So I'm kind of curious to see what's going to be on the second floor, if there's going to be another master or not. Again, you know, I don't look at these homes before I make the video, because I want it to be as realistic as possible. You know, when you go around looking at homes with an agent, you know, it's nothing like these you know, these shows that you have on YouTube where everything's planned and all that stuff. It's very different. So one closet here and another closet here, which connects to the bathroom. No, excuse me, it connects to the laundry room, which I guess is connecting to that little hall. Yep, there's the kitchen. Here we have another bedroom. Wow, big closet. So this closet, it goes from one end of the wall to the other. Half bathroom. Fantastic island. Just a big square. And I like all the cabinets too. Very nice. So let's check out the second floor. That's a large bedroom. So I think that up here is going to be smaller than the first floor. Just kind of looking at it, I could be wrong. Ah, there's a bathroom. So the nice thing about this is that you basically have at least two masters already. And I know that some people think that the master bathroom always has to have two sinks, but it doesn't. There's plenty of homes where the master bedroom only has one sink. Yeah, got a large closet too. Yeah, it's not as big as the one on the first floor, but I mean, this is fantastic. Good size loft. Let's see, what else do we have? Another bedroom. So I was looking at the bathroom, but like not really, because I was looking at this. I was like, wow, like look at this, like old speakers. That's kind of interesting. See the walls, all old speakers. The surrounds on the speakers are crumbled from age, and that's kind of interesting. Rock and roll Fender. Ah, Fender, okay. Got the guitars on the wall. Very interesting. Alright, so let's talk about this house on the way out. Who's it for? I think that it's great because I feel like if somebody wants a house with an awesome large master bedroom on the first floor, but maybe they have like, I don't know, could be a friend, could be a family member, or potentially they want to live with, maybe their parents or something. Their parents are older and their parents take the master bedroom on the first floor, and then they take this one with the kids, and maybe all they need is one or two bedrooms for the kids. So I think that it's nice because it's it's very large feeling, and then of course everybody would just share this common area. Then you also had this room over here, which was relatively large as well. So kind of interesting setup. It's different, and I like that. I like to see homes that are kind of different, because a lot of homes are similar, or just like a little bit of like a variation. So definitely nice to see. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I do appreciate you watching. Please check out my website, richnotohomes.com. Boy, is it hot and sunny. I feel like it's like 90 degrees today or something, because it was much colder. It was like in the 70s or so, like a week ago or whatever, and now it's like, boy, is it hot. Because I thought I was going to be like making this video wearing a t-shirt, a collar, all that stuff, but that's not happening. So yeah, let's check this out.